The subject matter essentially is a new ETF which has been created under the name Bharat 22. Just as a background, last year in the year 2016-17, our revised disinvestment target was rupees 45,500 crores. We were able to realize rupees 46,247 crores. This comprised of both CPSE disinvestment as also a strategic disinvestment and income from the management of the SUTI investments. Now this year we have a fairly stiff target of rupees 72,500 crores, of which disinvestment is 46,500, strategic disinvestment is 15,000, and others, which is primarily the listing of the public sector insurance companies, is 11,000 crores. So far, we've been able to realize rupees 9,300. The IPO of the Cochin shipyard yesterday was highly successful, oversubscribed 76 times, and is rated as one of the most successful IPOs in recent stock market history. We have twice earlier tried the ETF experiment and successfully. Globally also, the ETF assets have shown a significant increase. Globally today, there are 4 trillion worth assets under management. And these assets are, over the next 4 years, likely to touch about 7 trillion. Large investors, including sovereign and pension funds, have started preferring this mode of investment. This is low cost, less risk. These are highly liquid assets. It's a transparent investment. And it is traded at the real time in the marketplace. A small note which flags all that I am saying, for your convenience, will just now be handed over to you also. In India, we've seen since 2015 the Provident Fund also being invested in the ETFs. Last year, we were able to raise 8,500 crores through the CPSE ETFs. And this year, the new ETF, which is the substantial announcement that I want to give you, is that a Bharat 22 ETF has been created. The 22 companies oblique investments comprise of CPSE, public sector banks, and some strategic holding in SUTI. It's a diversified portfolio of 6 sectors, that is basic materials, energy, finance, FMCG, industrials and utilities. There is no sector which crosses 20%. There is a sectoral capping of 20%. And there is a stock capping of 15%. There are a list of 22 investments, which effectively means that small tranches of holding of the government in various CPSEs and PSBs will be included in this. A list of those who have been included along with this note will be circulated to you just now. We are also going to give you a note that while selecting each of these sectors, we've also kept in mind sectoral reforms in each of the sectors, which have had a direct impact on the valuations of these shares. Some of them are directly impacted in a positive sense by some recent decisions that the government has taken in the past few years. And therefore, we believe that this ETF will be a fairly successful one.